9 Surprising benefits of drinking olive oil on an empty stomach.
Olive oil is a staple ingredient in the Mediterranean diet, known for its numerous health benefits. One way to reap the benefits of olive oil is by drinking it on an empty stomach. Here are 9 surprising benefits of drinking olive oil on an empty stomach. Promotes digestion. Drinking olive oil on an empty stomach can stimulate the production of digestive enzymes in the pancreas and liver, promoting better digestion. This can help prevent constipation, bloating, and other digestive problems. Aids in weight loss. Olive oil contains monounsaturated fatty acids, which can help you feel full and satisfied, reducing your overall calorie intake. Drinking olive oil on an empty stomach can also help kickstart your metabolism, helping you burn more calories throughout the day. Boosts brain function. Olive oil contains polyphenols, which have been shown to improve brain function and memory. Drinking olive oil on an empty stomach can help you stay focused and alert throughout the day. Reduces inflammation. Olive oil is rich in antioxidants, which can help reduce inflammation in the body. Drinking olive oil on an empty stomach can help reduce inflammation in the gut, reducing the risk of chronic diseases such as arthritis and heart disease. Lowers cholesterol. Olive oil contains oleic acid, which can help lower LDL, bad cholesterol levels and increase HDL, good cholesterol levels. Drinking olive oil on an empty stomach can help reduce the risk of heart disease and stroke. Strengthens bones. Olive oil is rich in vitamin K, which is essential for strong bones. Drinking olive oil on an empty stomach can help improve bone density and reduce the risk of osteoporosis. Improves skin health. Olive oil is rich in vitamin E, which can help improve skin health and reduce the signs of aging. Drinking olive oil on an empty stomach can help improve skin elasticity and reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles.
Boosts immunity. Olive oil is rich in antioxidants, which can help boost the immune system and reduce the risk of infections and diseases. Drinking olive oil on an empty stomach can help improve overall health and well-being.
Reduces stress. Olive oil contains oleocanthal, which has been shown to reduce inflammation in the brain and reduce stress levels. Drinking olive oil on an empty stomach can help promote relaxation and reduce anxiety levels. In conclusion, drinking olive oil on an empty stomach can have numerous health benefits, from improving digestion and brain function to reducing inflammation and boosting immunity. However, it's important to choose high-quality, extra virgin olive oil and consume it in moderation. If you have any concerns about drinking olive oil on an empty stomach, consult your doctor or a registered dietitian.